What's up everybody, welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Good morning and welcome back to this video about Tamadoge, which I have covered now for 4 times. Yesterday was quite a big coverage. Not so many great things happened, so that's what we're talking about. That's one of the things we'll talk about in this video. But apart from that, what we'll mainly do in this video is we're going to be taking a look at the price. What happened? We had quite a significant crash. And we talked about that yesterday in the video already. The name of my coverage on Tamadoge yesterday was Big Crash Incoming. And the main thing why I said that is some people were saying I was trying to spread FUD, which is definitely not the case. I mean, check out my first videos on Tamadoge. There I said that over the long term, in next bull market, we could easily reach like a $20 valuation. All right, so I'm not spreading FUD. I'm just being realistic on the short term. We are in a bear market and we're probably not going to get up to $20 with Tamadoge in a bear market, all right? And apart from that, what happened technically is we broke through this major support level at 15 cents. So yesterday what I said is that if we would want to continue this bull run, we need to break above 16 cents because that's the entire level and then stay above that. What we eventually did is we had a fake out, a bullish fake out, drop down below 15 cents immediately again, and then drop down to the next level, which we talked about yesterday at around 10 cents and 8 cents. Found some support at 10 cents at first, and then dropped down all the way to, well, to be honest, 6.5 cents. So that is what happens. I mean, clearly to me, Tamadoge, it's a very new token. So you cannot expect a new token to keep going up after its launch. What happens in the beginning of a new token is that certain parts of the token distribution, so a certain amount of Tamadoge is being brought over to certain people. So what happens a lot is that one person has 10% of the supply of Tamadoge. And if you have 10% of a market cap of 120 million, if you have 12 million, which isn't always the case because you still need to be able to sell Tamadoge, and which is possible with the volume like this, but still it will bring the price down. But that happened quite a bit. I mean, these are all probably whales selling, all right? Not all, but some of them definitely are. So that's just what happens. That's just what happens sometimes. So as I said, long term, I still think Tamadoge has a lot of potential. Short term, what you can see, let's actually dive into what's actually happening. This was the analysis I made about an hour ago. What you can see is that we have this general downtrend now, kind of going on, and then we had this small bullish trend starting yesterday evening. So to me, there's basically the main level right now is this level at around 12 cents, maybe 12.5 cents. This is the main level, all right? And I'm going to paint. You might like that. This is the main level right here. And what we're going to do is we're probably going to drop down from there because it's a strong resistance level. But as long as we kind of stay in this triangle, we still have the chance to break above 12.5 cents. And the moment we break above 12.5 cents, we're getting up to 14, 15 cents. And we actually have the chance to become a little bit more bullish. I don't think we'll break through 15 and 16 cents. We'll probably do something like this. It's hard to say. It's very hard to say. We'll probably consolidate for a little bit, and then tomorrow I'll be back with another update because it's very hard to analyze volatile tokens such as this on the 15-minute time frame. I mean, yesterday when we analyzed it, this has happened, and look all that price action that happened afterwards. So I'll be back with another update, but the bullish thing would be breaking above 12.5 cents. And the other side of the story is, as I said, it's a strong resistance level. If right now we drop down towards like under 9 cents again, then it's probably over. All right. So the thing is just staying above 9 and preferably 10 cents. If we stay above those levels, we're going to get up to 15 cents again. The moment we drop down below 10 and 9 cents, we're probably going to drop down to 6 cents. All right. So a lot is possible right now. If I have to be honest with you, and I might be wrong about that, but I'm quite optimistic usually. We've seen the strength of Tamadoge over the last couple of days. I think something like this is more likely, but that doesn't mean that we're going up to 20 cents again. It's just we're going to see tomorrow what kind of resistance we get at 15 and 16 cents. But I feel like something like this is the most likely scenario. So a bullish breakout out of 12.5 cents followed up by a move to 15 and 16 cents, find resistance there and kind of consolidate until tomorrow when I make another update. So yeah, that's my take. Might be too optimistic, but I have to predict something, right? There's always a chance of being wrong. So that's my take for today. If you do have any questions about it, feel free to ask me down in the comments. Also tell me what you think is most likely for Tamadoge to happen right now. But for now, thank you all for watching and listening, and take care. Bye.